on, guys? If you're new to the channel, we're restoring this Peterbilt cab over. It's a 1986 and it just took a crazy turn. Come take a look inside this air cleaner. Decided to pull this off and take a look, and to my surprise, we've got a dead snake and a bunch of junk in there, rat's nest or something. So if you know anything about our family, we're not snake people. My old man says we should just sell it right now and move on or burn it down, but we're gonna hold on because I think this is gonna be a sweet project. So if you want to watch us restore this thing front to back, rebuild this cat engine, hit the subscribe button and follow along. Thanks.